Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2018 Harley-Davidson CVO Electroglide Ultra Limited 115th anniversary. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2018 Harley-Davidson CVO Electroglide Ultra Limited with 57,554 miles, passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, heated grips and seats, TPMS, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, navigation, and electronic locking luggage. It's been upgraded with a Vance & Hines exhaust, Vance & Hines mufflers, 12-inch handlebars, and braided lights and cables. This bike is number 255 of 1,200 produced. Powered by a 117 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Electroglide puts 105 horsepower and 123 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Electroglide has a 200 to 240-mile range. It has a 916-pound wet weight and a 28.3-inch seat height. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire and rear tire are both at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are paint chips on the rear fender, a blemish and tear on the seat material, and a tear in the armrest material. This bike has an owner's manual, 2 keys and 2 fobs, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.